In this video, discuss about the introduction of plasma membrane. Okay. The cell is the structure and the functional unit of organism, and the cell contains the outermost layer called as the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is a flexible membrane but strong. Yes, it is a flexible membrane but it is also strong. It acts like a barrier. Next is to explain the structure of the plasma membrane, there is one structural model known as the fluid mosaic model. Okay. To explain the structure of the plasma membrane, there is one model known as the fluid mosaic model. Okay, what is the fluid, what is the mosaic, and what is the model means know that there is a structural model. Okay, so first is the fluid is the sea. Okay, the fluid is the same as that when the sea is constantly moving, same as that the fluid is the lipid, and this fluid of the lipid, this is the sea of fluid lipid. Sea of fluid lipid, this is the constantly moving. Next is what is the mosaic. Mosaic means protein. Okay. There are some proteins which float freely. There are some proteins which float freely about the sea of the fluid lipid. Okay, and there are the another protein which fixed at particular position or particular location and particular place. Okay, so there are some proteins which are fixed at the particular place. Okay, so there are some proteins which float freely, same as that like icebergs. So icebergs are float freely above the sea, and there are the another proteins which are fixed at particular location. So same as that island. So these are the fixed at particular locations, and there are surrounding only a water, and there is only a sea is present. Okay, so this is they float freely like icebergs and fixed at particular positions like the island. Okay, this is the iceberg, same as that. So this is the protein. Protein means that this is the mosaic is the protein, and fluid is the sea of the fluid lipid. So these are some lipid molecule which are enter and exit the cell freely, but there are some polar molecules which are not enter and exit the cell freely. Okay, so this plasma membrane which acts like a barrier, for the polar molecules. So how they enter and exit the cell? So there are some proteins are present which acts like a signals or receptors which helps to move the polar molecules to inside and outside the cell. Okay, so this is the introduction of the plasma membrane. In the another video we are detailed discuss about the structure of the plasma membrane. So thank you so much.